Opened in 1910, Burnage railway station is a railway station in South Manchester, in the suburb of Burnage on the Style line. It caters mainly for commuter traffic, being electrified at 25 kV AC overhead and is used by EMU traffic. The station sits on the Style line to Manchester Airport, one of the most congested lines in National Rail network. Historically, it has been served by a half-hourly service from Manchester Airport to Crewe and Manchester Piccadilly. Since 2018, services operate on a skip-stop basis at irregular intervals to increase capacity on the line. As a designated Northern Connect stop, a direct service to Blackpool North via Chorley was introduced as part of the timetable change. This was replaced by calls on services between Windermere and Barrow-in-Furness and Manchester Airport, running via Wigan North Western as part of the December 2019 timetable change. So we'll get started here at Burnage with 331009, working the 1618 Northern service from Crewe to Manchester Piccadilly. Next to pass through the station is 331017, working 1 November 52 for Northern from Manchester Airport to Blackpool North. Flying past through the station is 331003 and 331018, working 1 Yankee 50 for Northern from Blackpool North to Manchester Airport. Next for Transpennine Express is 397007, working 1 Mike 88 from Glasgow Central to Manchester Airport. Next to pass through the station is 197017 and 197019, working 1 Delta 31 for Transport for Wales from Manchester Airport to Llandudno. Pass through the station is Freight Train 66525, working 4 Lima 86 from Trafford Park FLT to Felixstowe North. Next to depart from the station is 331009, working the 1645 Northern service from Manchester Piccadilly to Crewe. Arriving next into the station 6 minutes late is 323234 with the 1643 Northern service from Manchester Airport to Liverpool Lime Street. Next up, crawling through the station is 185111 and 185124, working 1P83 for Transpennine Express from Manchester Airport to Saltburn. Background is 331002 and 331016, working 1 Yankee 51 from Blackpool North to Manchester Airport. Next to pass through the station is 331018 and 331003, working 1 November 53 for Northern from Manchester Airport to Blackpool North. Next pass through the station is 185147 and 185109, working 1P76 for Transpennine Express from Saltburn to Manchester Airport. Next passenger for Transport for Wales is 197006 and 197010, working 1H90 from Llandudno to Manchester Airport. Next pass through the station is 397007, working 1 Sierra 81 for Transpennine Express from Manchester Airport to Carlisle. Whilst coming in the opposite direction arriving is 323235, working the 1713 Northern service from Liverpool Lime Street to Manchester Airport. Whilst here comes our train in the form of 331008, working the 1718 Northern service from Crewe to Manchester Piccadilly. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.